The following is brought to you by Vertical Vet. Rethink your GPO.
Hello, Vertical Vet family. I am Dr. Ernie Ward, Chief Veterinary Officer for Vertical Vet, and we've got a very quick, short message to tell you about something super exciting from one of our partners, Zoetis. And this is technology, guys, that is going to completely transform the way you do hematology. And I'm just so excited today. We've got, once again, Dr. George Daniel, who is from Zoetis, U.S. Director of Diagnostics. And George, I don't want to waste a lot of time. It's the holidays. Everybody's busy. Tell us what you've got. This is so exciting.
Ernie, this is a real game changer, right? This is hematology for 2024. So point of care hematology in the veterinary space has not changed much in the last 15 to 20 years, Ernie. Flow cytometry was probably the last major innovation in that space. And, it's reliable, but it has its limitations. You've got hours and hours of staff time that's spent doing maintenance, flushing fluids, cleaning out clots, quality control steps, inventory management of all the large reagent packs that expire. It's a lot. It's a lot. So what we've tried to do is bring technology that's been present on the human side since 2016 and FDA approved into the vet space. And we're the first ones to bring this technology to the vet space. So,
and George, just real quick, I got to stop right there. Guys, This is the biggest burden of all doing in-clinic diagnostics, right? It's all the other stuff. It's not the results. It's not the speed. It's not the accuracy, precision. It's the other stuff. And George, you guys are solving that. That's why I'm so excited about this.
Yeah, it absolutely is, Ernie. It's attacking the main pain points for hematology in the veterinary clinic. And so the concerns about reagent packs that expire, we've done away with the reagent pack system altogether. So there's no reagent pack. Usually when I tell folks that, they're like, well, how does that work? Well, it's pretty simple. We've made everything into one tiny little cartridge, and your reagents are inside of the cartridge. This is a single-use cartridge that does not need to be refrigerated. It can stay at room temperature for up to a year, and all your reagents are in here. So quality control, reagents, everything is in the single-use cartridge. One cartridge, one run. We're using about 40 microliters of blood. Basically, the blood that can fill these two little capillary tubes here, that's the amount of blood you need, 40 microliters, 40. You put that capillary into the cartridge and stick the cartridge into the analyzer. Nice and easy to use. As far as the technology is concerned, Ernie, we got a little video snippet here that might help to elaborate on some of that. What I would say is the word for the day, Ernie, like Sesame Street, the word for the day is Viscoelastic Focusing, right? This is the major step forward in technology. What we're doing here is we're taking all the cells in the sample and putting them on the same horizontal plane, kind of like roads feeding into a freeway, right? The roads come from below, the roads come from above, but they all feed into one freeway, and all the cars are the cells that stay in one horizontal plane. And so that is allowing the analyzer to then take pictures of all the cells in that sample in real time in a 3D machine AI learning manner, so we can gather all the features on each of those cells. We're actually looking at the cells and gathering those thousands and thousands of features using AI to process that and giving you highly accurate results in real time.
Yeah, again, guys, this is a game changer. Dr. Daniel was not exaggerating, because not only is it simpler for you, but you're going to find it's cost effective and the results are incredible. I mean, like you mentioned, George, at the beginning, since 2016, FDA approval for the human side, it's just now making its way over here. I mean, I think that should give a lot of veterinarians a lot of confidence in this technology.
Absolutely. And we're not even resting on those laurels, because there are lots of studies on the human side. You can Google that and pull that up. But we've done our own studies, right? We're Zoetis, so we coming with the receipts. And so we've done our own studies, put the OptiCell up against the Advia 2120, which is the reference lab grade analyzer built by Siemens that many of the reference labs use currently. And we put the Advia up against that. We found that in terms of accuracy and precision, there's a lot of excellent correlation between those two analyzers. And there are actually a couple areas that the OptiCell was a little bit better than the Advia at. And so we've got all that data. It's available to you. You check with your Zoetis rep and get information on this. This analyzer will be shipping in January, so we're taking pre-orders as we speak.
Yeah, and that's what we wanted to talk to you about, Vertical Vet Family, is the fact that you want to go ahead and get in line for this. Reach out to your Zoetis rep. If you don't have one or know who it is, talk to us at Vertical Vet and we'll get you in touch. But we want you to go ahead and understand and learn about this technology because, George, one of the things I do anticipate with this particular technology is that those folks that kind of wait a while may be waiting even longer because, I think demand for this is going to be substantial.
I'd agree with you, Ernie. I'd agree with you. If I was still in full-time practice, I would want this in my practice for sure.
That's right. Well, George, anything else you need? I know we just want to get in front of the Vertical Vet family real quick, let them know what's happening. You can reach out to us, and of course, Zoetis. We'll have links all below. But anything else that folks need to know about this before we let you go?
I just want to say this is an excellent opportunity to get in ahead of the curve. To your point, Vertical Vet has done a great job of making sure that their partners have access to this cutting-edge technology. Take advantage of that access because it may become a little bit more difficult when the rest of the crowd comes in and wants a piece of the action.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what's going to happen. Well, Dr. George Daniel, U.S. Director of Diagnostics for Zoetis. Again, this is why we love partnering with companies like yours, George, because, again, you bring the best and the most, I would say most transformative technology. Everything that Zoetis touches lately has just been amazing as far as how we treat our clients and patients. So I got to thank you so much. Well, Vertical Vet family, that's it. Just a quick little get in front of you. We know it's busy holiday season, but we want to let you know that this is coming. It's happening quickly. Again, Zoetis OptiCell. We've got some special things going on with them. So if you're a Vertical Vet member right now, talk to us about what you can do to get ahead of this. More importantly, I want you to understand this because your competition is going to be doing this, and I want you to benefit from it for sure. So again, on behalf of Vertical Vet, I am Dr. Ernie Ward, Chief Veterinary Officer. We will talk to you soon. Happy holidays.